Push. Push it. Make a snowball. Well, maybe it won't work. Can you make a big snowball? Olivia, can you make a big snowball? Some pretty good snow on the side of this hill. Pack it together. There you go. That's pretty good.
Mommy.
Oh, is it covered with snow? Mm-hmm. Looks like a pink marshmallow, Olivia. Oh no, he's gonna throw it. Don't throw it at Olivia, though. Throw it. Not at me either, please. Oh, that was a good one. It's definitely melting very quickly. Whoa. Look at that snow. On your jacket. How does it feel to run in the snow, Cameron?